Listen and practice. Story: A father and his sons. A father had 4 sons. He loved them very much. They always used to help one another in trouble. When he was lying on the bed of death, he called all his sons beside him and asked each of them to take a stick. He told his eldest son to take all those sticks together and tie them in a bundle. After that, he told them to break it. Consequently, all his sons tried, but they were unsuccessful to break the bundle of sticks. Then he told them to break their own stick that they had taken. Inwardly, they tried again and became successful to do so. As a result, his father told them that when the sticks were in the form of a bundle, no one could break it, and when the sticks were not in the form of a bundle, everyone broke it. Then all his sons started smiling and understood the feelings of their father.